aquí está el guásimo ternero.
So mercury is a natural trace element
Mercury is everywhere,
in soils, in the atmosphere, in water.
and it builds several species which are very toxic for animals, but also especially for humans.
That is a problem when it enters into the food web and at the end reach humans.
This is why we investigate mercury in the environment.
So right now we are going to the sampling area number 5. So we are getting ready to take new samples. So here we go.
I'm Juan Francisco Morales Arteaga.
Marta Pérez.
Antonia Schmidtke.
Petra Schmidt.
André Dörri.
Harald Biester. I'm a professor here at the Technical University of Braunschweig at the Institute of Geoecology, and I'm leading the group of environmental geochemistry.
Currently, the mercury cycle is affected by humans.
And one of the major sources is the burning of coal. And if you burn the coal, the mercury is released into the atmosphere.
As much mercury is emitted in the atmosphere, more mercury will enter into the different ecosystems. Forest has a very important role as a cleaning system of our atmosphere from mercury.
It's absorbed by the stomata, so we had mercury in the leaves, then it's transferred to the litter file, and then from the litter file is decomposed by bacteria and it is stored in the soil. So if we don't have plants, we don't have any sequestrator, so the mercury is spread on the air. And this is why it's important to study the forest.
Yeah, as the leaves are one of the main inputs of atmospheric mercury, so we just cut leaves of this sardino tree, which is one predominant species in this sampling area.
And tropical forests, because of the big surface that they cover and the amount of productivity, they are especially relevant in a global base, removing mercury from the atmosphere.
So we chose 2 different sampling areas in Costa Rica. The tropical dry forest was located in the north, in the province of Guanacaste, and the tropical rainforest was located in La Gamba, close to the city of Golfito. With my master thesis, we are focusing on mercury in the wooden parts of the tropical trees. So once the mercury was absorbed by the leaves, it's transported downwards to the trunk and stored inside the wooden tissue. So we drilled small holes into the trunk and took tree cores from different species.
The aim of the study is to identify the difference, how much mercury is sequestrated by the tropical rainforest and tropical dry forest, the role that these forests played on mercury sequestration, and also if the season was relevant.
We study in the project atmosphere, leaves, litter fall and soil, so to trace the whole atmospheric vegetation cycle.
Here we have the mercury passive samplers, which help us to quantify how much atmospheric mercury is present in this forest.
The process after we collect the samples, rinse them with deionized water, we dry it, we transport it to Germany, to the Technische Universität of Braunschweig.
My main topics as a project was to join one sampling campaign in November last year. And I'm also analyzing mercury here in the plants and in the soil samples with the DMA, direct mercury analyzer. In water, for example, we also analyze the mercury.
I wanted to work here as a student helper in this geochemistry lab because it's a well-equipped lab and the team here is very nice. It's a nice way to earn some experiences for my later life, for the later work I wanted to do.
Our preliminary findings suggest that seasonality is really important to work with. It's not the same on mercury content in the leaves during the dry season and during the wet season.
Tropical rainforests are crucial in terms of mercury accumulation from the atmosphere to the soils, but tropical dry forests play also a crucial role. And both forests are a key part of the tropical mercury cycle, and we need to keep that in mind when these kind of ecosystems are destroyed or when they are changed the use, because it will be difficult to bring them back to previous conditions.